Good morning again, students. Welcome to our online class on the second session, alright? Teacher promised everyone that teacher will continue our unit 9, alright, on the second session. Okay, everyone. So, before we continue our story, now let's review what Monty tells you about the story first, alright? So now let's start listen to the story that Monty tells. Hey everyone, so after you listen to Monty, I hope that everyone understand, and now teacher will explain you more by asking questions, alright? So let's open your book again on page 106, 107. Alright everyone, so do you see the big machine in this picture? Okay, yes, I can see it's over here, alright? The big machine, alright? So that big machines can make clothes into candies, alright? And you can see clothes over here, alright? Here, this one is clothes, and it is used to make candy, alright? Over here, this one is candy, alright? And everyone, do you see kangaroos? Yes, I can see. How many kangaroos can you see, everyone? We can see 3, alright? 3 kangaroos. And this one is Monty. So, do you see Candy King? Do you see Candy King, everyone? Yes, I can see Candy King. Where is he? Okay, this is Candy King, alright, over here. Can you see it? Alright, very good. So, now, teacher tell you again, alright? Monty is in a factory, okay? Monty is in a factory of making candies, alright? And you can see machine over here. This machine is so special, alright? This machine is so special. Why? Because it can make clothes into candies. Alright, wow, that's so good, alright? If you have clothes and if you have this machine at your home, you can put your clothes into this machine and it makes candies. Wow, and then you can eat, alright? Okay, so this machine is so special. It can make clothes into candies, alright? Okay, so this one is Candy King. If Monty and kangaroos can make a good candies, alright? If Monty and kangaroo can make a good candy, they will have chance to meet King, alright? Do you want to meet King, everyone? Candy King? Wow, if you meet Candy King, you can ask candies as many as much as you want, okay? Do you like candies? Teacher also like candies as well, but don't eat it too much, alright? Because it's not good for your teeth and for your health, alright? So, if Monty and kangaroo over here can make a good candies, they will have chance to meet with the king, alright? So, in order to do so, will you have Monty in order to meet the king, everyone? Will you help him? Yes, alright. So there are 3 things that we can help Monty to do that. What are they, everyone? What are they? What are those 3 things? Okay, over here, look at the story box, everyone. Look at the story box over here. You can see 1, get the clothes. Okay, get the clothes, alright? Get the clothes. 1, 2. Make the candy, alright? Make the candy. 3. Meet the Candy King. Alright, meet the Candy King. So these are 3 things that Monty have to do in order to meet with Candy King. Alright, will you help him, everyone? Will you help him? Yes, we will help him in order to meet with Candy King. Alright? Okay, good job. So I hope everyone understand this. Alright? Okay. So everyone, this is the end of our second session. Alright? So for the next session, we will help Monty to do these 3 things. Alright? Please remember that 3 things that we have to do tomorrow, alright? Because we will have Monty to meet with the king, alright? Candy King. Okay, so now it's the end of our second session on Monday. Teacher would like to say goodbye and see you later.